Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry, Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. It's the day after Halloween, and it's now November 1st. So we'll be doing some eBay listing today because start of a new month you get free listings. So I always have stuff that I have taken apart, and like that engine that I just took apart, the decompose. I'm going to list all those parts on eBay because they're free today. And I like free. We had one hell of a storm last night from Halloween, and there was leaves all over my yard, However, the big wind just blew it all off my yard, which is great because that yard was completely covered in leaves. Unfortunately for the neighbors who lived at the perpendicular area there, right? All the leaves on this entire block blow onto their lawn. It's a shame. Anyway, problem also is that the wind blew all the leaves to the side of my house where the bushes are. And stuck inside. Hi, Boba. This is a pain. So I'm gonna have to get my blower out, put my crazy jack-o'-lantern away. So I will have to blow out all these leaves, right? And then from my daughter's soccer thing. It's all jammed up in there, I'm gonna have to blow it all up into my yard anyway, and then I'm gonna whip out my zero turn and mulch it all into the ground. Backyard's not too bad. Oh dear. That's still good. Oh dear. Oh no. Oh no. I just noticed this just now. That's very bad. Crap. Oh my God. This is really bad. Holy cow. I didn't notice this until now. That sucks. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to try to fix that, huh? It didn't take that long, and it wasn't too bad. It wasn't damaged. So basically, you saw I took some bungee cords, and I'm like, well, what can I use for a lot of weight? Well, everything in there is very heavy. So I took bungee cords and I wrapped them around the posts and to the snow blowers on the side, so that should hold it down. Anyway, that sucked. This is my LT1000 that I use to suck up my leaves in my yard, and it always bothered me that it didn't have headlights. So I'm going to steal a set of headlights off of one of my other LT1000s that's not worth that much money, and since this one is perfect, I'm going to make it even more perfect by putting on some lights. And on top of that, these rear wheels are 18-inch wheels. I don't like 18-inch wheels. As you saw from my episode yesterday, I just put 2 brand new tubes into these meaty 20-inch rims. So I'm going to put these rims on and get some headlights for this to complete it. So it's kind of cool to do some field work, you know. I had a little trouble with the right side rear wheel, but I banged it off. Had plenty of grease on it, you know. Sometimes the key just gets stuck in there, you know, it makes it hard for you to get it out. But as you saw, I also switched up the lights from the worst condition LT1000 to the good condition one, so now that one's ready to go. I saw that it was dripping a little bit of fuel, so the needle was getting stuck. So I had some debris inside the mold that got it out of there, so that doesn't get in the way of the needle. So the needle now seats well, doesn't leak anymore. Some field work, huh? So now I'm going to painstakingly go through the bushes here and get all the leaves out onto my lawn so I can do some mulching. I'm going to use my Echo leaf blower. This thing always starts, man. It's great. That's all you need. Amazing. Always starts. That's why I love the Echo. you guys support my channel, buy a sticker. Also follow me on Instagram at mowersblowers. Check out my website, mowersblowers.com. See you guys on the next one. Have a great day. Hey guys, Boba and I want to thank you for all the support of Mowers and Blowers. If you'd like, make a short video clip like these, and I'll put it as an outro in my future videos.
See you next time on Mowers and Blowers.